Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the critical legal analysis of the recent court ruling regarding the rejection of nomination papers under the Section 62(9) of the Election Act. The court held that the section does not empower the returning officer to reject the nomination paper of a candidate on the grounds of being proclaimed offender. We will explore the key legal arguments, implications of this ruling, and impact on the electoral process. Join us, we will analyze the significant legal development. Section 62(9) of the Election Act outlines a ground for rejecting a nomination paper. However, it does not explicitly mention that the candidate being a proclaimed offender is a valid ground for rejection. This omission has led to legal debates about the scope of RO's authority in rejecting nomination papers. Court ruling. The court held that the grounds provided in the Section 62(9) does not empower RO to reject the nomination paper of the candidate solely on the basis of a proclaimed offender. This ruling emphasizes the need for clear and specific legal provision to guide to the actions of ROs. Interpretation of 62(9). The court interpretation of 62(9) highlights the importance of adhering to the explicit language of the law. Since the section does not mention proclaimed offenders, RO cannot reject a nomination paper on the ground. This interpretation underscores the principle that the legal provisions must be clear and unambiguous to ensure fair and constant application. Implications for the electoral process. The ruling has significant implications for the electoral process. It ensures that a candidate not unfairly disqualified based on grounds not explicitly stated in the law. However, it raises concerns about the potential for a program of funded participate in elections which could undermine the integrity of electoral process. Need for legislative clarity is required if the intention is not to disqualify program or funder for contesting elections. This must be clearly mentioned. Clear provisions are very necessary to ensure that electoral process is going in a proper legal way. The court ruling held that the importance of a clear specific provision is required. The decision ensures that the candidates are not unfairly disqualified, but it also highlighted the need of legislative importance. The case serves as a reminder of importance of a precise legal language in guiding the actions of electoral authorities. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.